Anyway, alright guys, so your girl is home in Jamaica now. Alright, hi guys, it's your girl Roxy. Alright, so Rosen just did her officially introing. So I'm here in Jamaica right now. I'm quarantining. Right, I have to quarantine for 14 days. Even though I did like 3 COVID tests, all are negative and everything, but you have to quarantine for 14 days. Beside the point of that story, so I'm kind of isolating myself away from everyone because I have to do that. Hey my people, hey, good day. Okay, so I plan to put up my room reveal, well, the room reveal vlog, the guest room reveal vlog for my twin sister. Instead, these things do happen. I end up accidentally delete the entire room reveal vlog. I don't know how I delete it or how come I delete it, but the entire room reveal vlog is no longer there. I search my laptop, I search my phone, I search everywhere for the vlog. It is nowhere on any of my devices. I was also looking for the clips, but whenever I edit a vlog and I store it, I usually delete all the clips because to have more storage on my phone and on my laptop. Okay, so I was looking for the clips, can't find the clips, can't find the entire edited vlog and everything. With this vlog, it was giving me trouble in the beginning to edit because of storage, saying that I don't have enough storage on my phone because I was editing on my phone, because I can't edit anymore on my laptop because the editing app that I had on my laptop is no longer there. Yeah, so I was editing on my phone, and then editing on my phone said I don't have enough storage, and then I deleted some stuff out to get enough storage to edit the vlog. And when I did edit the vlog and everything, I think I saved the vlog, but I don't know what happened. The vlog is not on my phone. I was trying to upload it today and trying to upload it onto YouTube. I realized I can't find it. I searched my laptop, I searched my phone, still can't find the vlog. So, and that is why I'm not going to show you guys the room reveal, because I think my sister's room is very messy now. And to do all of back, me painting the door, because I painted the door, I painted the bed, I did all of that, and it won't make any sense because I can't repaint back anything or anything like that to show you guys. So hence why you're not really seeing the room reveal how I wanted you guys to see it, but instead you might see a messy room, if anything. And yeah, and so yeah, but bear in mind that these things do happen. Sometimes you plan to do something or whatever, and you get a little bit absent minded or forget that you had something on your phone and accidentally trying to get more storage, and that's how I end up might have deleted the entire vlog. So yeah, so this is my attempt at showing you guys. But what I'm glad about is that I did show you guys somewhat of a room reveal before in the DIY renovation first vlog. Show you the transition of the room and everything. So it's not a big deal, but I really wanted to show you guys me painting the door and me painting the bed and all of that. But I'm not gonna get to show you guys all of that. And yeah, and also I had some clips in it that I really liked, and I wanted to show you guys with my twin sister and everything, but yeah, that's gone too. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's not the way I planned it, or not like the vlog that I had, but yeah, this is my try, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah. So we are now inside my sister's messy room, and you can see her chair has on messy clothes and stuff like that. As I said, this is not gonna be a room reveal. And me in the mirror, yeah, so the entire place is messy now. Even our bed isn't made and all that. So this is not even a room reveal, but I want to show you that I really did do everything that I said that I did. I also did the door. You can see the door paints and everything. Yeah, so I really tried to do everything that I said that I was doing, and I'm trying to stay at this angle so you can see the bed. That, yeah, the bed and the fan and everything here. Yeah, as I said, this is not a room reveal, more like, okay, be showing you stuff that we really did do and all of that. So yeah, I'm really sad that the room reveal vlog is no longer existent, but you know, these things do happen. And yeah, but this is the best that I can show you now, because the room is very messy, but from what you're saying, I did try. Oh, I just want to say this, even though I'm still somewhat upset that I didn't get to do the room reveal to show you guys, because I lost all the clips. That I will still do a room reveal when my father finished the entire room, because you guys remember that the window isn't done. We made some makeshift windows, and the door hasn't been done, and the floor hasn't been done. So when all that's been done, I'm going to basically do a room reveal for you guys to show you how the room turned out and all of that. So even though I'm still a bit disappointed that I didn't get to show you this kind of makeshift kind of boho kind of, you know, room reveal, it's just that I will show you guys a proper room reveal next time. Yeah, and that's just basically it. I'll show you guys a proper one with the entire windows and everything. Just call the first vlog that you guys watch, the renovation, as somewhat, it has in somewhat of a room reveal. But when the entire place finish, I'll show you guys a proper room reveal with that. Alright, so yeah, that's it.
Okay.
No, I got it off.